Hmm. Hello, freaks. Welcome back to High Stylin, where the outfits are bad and my hair's somehow even worse. It's already the season finale. Let's see what Jaime's gonna have us wear. Ooh, it's a blue and purple color scheme. Whoa, I just happen to be wearing the same exact outfit already. What a coincidence. Here are the earrings, and here's the full outfit. I think it must be like a work from home look because I noticed we have socks on but no shoes, and then we're all business on the top for my Zoom meeting later, I guess. And then I have a cozy wrap to just sit in my home office. I think that's what's going on. So I do want to preserve the blue and purple. I think that is a major element of the outfit. But I need to get out of this situation. Jaime always puts these tiny little sweaters over these big shirts, and like I'm so uncomfortable right now. There's like a pocket right here. Ugh. It feels so bad. So that's gonna be my first priority. And then maybe priority two will be not wearing leggings as pants, but that sort of depends on what happens with the top. I don't know which shirt I want to keep, if any. So I'm going to go figure that out. I really do like the blue stripes with the purple flowers. These pieces just aren't layering properly. Do I wear the J. Crew sweater and the J. Crew around the shoulder way? I feel like such a chump, or maybe a schmuck or something. I feel lame. I don't know if I can do it. I learned a trick on Instagram that if you want to tie your sarong, you shouldn't tie it from the very end. You should tie it from like right here so it doesn't get all bunchy and weird. Well, this isn't better. First of all, the off-white with the white doesn't look good, and also now we have all the purple up here and all the blue on the bottom, and it's just cut in half. Yeah, this is not better. I just thought we could still work from home in our socks, but if we want to like run some errands, throw on the cute shoes, right? But no, that looks bad. Um, this all looks bad. We're going backwards. Well, it's definitely better without the workwear socks with these shoes. I think we're gonna get somewhere. Well, realistically, I wouldn't pair tight shorts with tight pants, but they're connected, so also it looks ridiculous, so nothing, I guess. This one's just not coming together today. Well, I thought I would give the sweater a turn and see if that's more inspiring, but I still want to use the purple shirt. Can I use it as like a scarf somehow? I don't know. It's really thin, so it's all bunchy, like where the collar is. Also, now that I'm looking at this though, this is a very country print, and maybe that doesn't go with the vibe we're doing. I might have a scarf with like blue and purple in it. Maybe let's go see. Ooh, this might be the solution to all our problems. And it brings in some turquoise, but that's okay. Well, I found this guy. I think it might show up better. I'm gonna put it on and have these two duel. Fight, fight, fight! So I was just looking in the mirror and noticed that neither of these necklaces has a way to adjust them, which is really weird. So I'm gonna go with this one just because I think the purple one interferes with the stripes more. And then you really can't see the earrings, but I think these guys might be better at this point, just in case they show up. I think we're just about there. I think I'm gonna pull the sleeves up a little bit and then add this bracelet just to keep it a little exotic to balance out the sportiness. But yeah, I like this sort of mix of dressier with sporty. I'm still going to make the case that this is a work from home look because you can just sit all cozy in your slippers and your leggings and your sweater. And then after work to go to dinner, you can just throw on your shoes and tie your scarf and just mess up your sweater a little bit. And you're ready to go. So that's where I would wear this. Would you wear this look and who do you think won? Regular me or Jaime? Thanks for watching. Oh, I forgot it's the season finale because we only had 3 outfits this time. So let's see who's the winner. I'm gonna say regular me wins episode 1 and 3, and nobody wins. The middle one kept dropping our shoulder bling, and that was a disgrace. But I still win! Yay! My rightful place. But let's not forget the real winner of season 5, these navy leggings that were in 2 of the 3 looks. Let me know which look was your favorite, and I'll see you in season 6.